My name is Mohammed Murtaza. I'm running for Bloomingdale Township Trustee. I'm passionate about the public service, communication, and leadership, and investing in the Bloomingdale Township. I believe that the community leader must strike a balance between keeping the taxes low for the residents and investing the community improvement, and that makes Bloomingdale Township in a place that our business and family are excited call home. I believe that community leader must strike a balance between keeping tax rate low for residents and the investing the community improvement that makes Bloomingdale Township a place that our business and family are excited to call home. I'm as a elected Democratic Christian committeeman and last 3 terms from the Bloomingdale Township. I feel that being a part of a local government is the service to the community, and I am looking forward to serving the community that my children have been raised in. I'm married with 3 children and long-time residents of the Bloomingdale Township. I have a bachelor degree, Bachelor of Art in the political science. I support maintaining the current tax or even reducing the rate. I believe we need to work to be more business-friendly board that support business that are both just starting out or that have been part of the community for length of time. Along with the community members and business are our partners. First and foremost, I will listen to the community before I try to solve the problem or make decisions. I believe in transparency and having difficulty conversation in search in the common ground. I will work with the community to open dialogue and discover what feels missing from our community, or that change can be made for the improvement. The process starts with a simple needs assessment or having survey to the community, or having open topics for town hall, or in a person, or like a virtual meeting like a Zoom or some other tools can be used, where community can be bring their ideas and concern that are needed in the Bloomingdale Township. I would like to see township website and social media allow more open communication with the community, with the easy to find the information. If you elect me on April 6, I will bring my experience in small businesses and the community outreach to advocate for the most cost-effective approach the township services by digitizing to make service available to all residents of the Bloomingdale Township, bringing transparency and accountability to the Bloomingdale Township. And also, I'm ready to fight for the homeowner and businesses. I support maintaining the current tax or even the reducing the rate. No child left behind, or family or individual that stray hunger due to the COVID-19. Many individual or families struggling to pay their monthly bill due to they are affected with the jobs, jobs and their businesses slow down. I will utilize township food pantry to address the current challenges that our disadvantaged community member may be facing, especially bringing food to the tables. I will put my effort to deliver food boxes containing monthly necessity to your doorsteps. One thing I know, having living here the most of my life, is the people of the reside in the Bulbinal township, love their community, want to see grow and prosper. My goal is the same for the community. Should you have any questions, and my belief and my what is I'm running for, please please reach out to me by email. My last name Mortoja, MORTOJA at mortoja.com, mortoja.com. And you can see also I have a website, www.mortoja.com. Thank you.